So what's going on YouTube? So now I'm going to show how to use your Gamma Stylecraft Monster Keepy single magnetic guards on Andis Pro Alloy Blade or maybe Andis Revite. Also works on Oster Fast Feeds blade. So this is the single magnetic guard, and I have this Andis. This is modified with Andis blade. This is the Pro Alloy taper blade. So as you can see, it's not fit on this blade. So what we're going to do is to remove these two sides of these guards. So simply by cutting it. So I'm going to cut this. So this one, okay, like that, and the other side. So then I'm going to remove both of them. So as you can see, the other one is already removed. So I'm going to remove the other one. Okay. So this is very easy. So I mean, this is not the best guard ever. Maybe you want or you like the Andis single magnetic guard, but if you don't want to buy any of Andis single magnetic guards, then at least you can use the Gamma or the Stylecraft or whatever single magnetic on Andis Pro Alloy Blade, and of course it will work on Andis Revite. So this is already modified, and check this out. So okay, it sits perfect, so it will not move anymore, you know. This is the single magnetic guard of Gamma, of Stylecraft, Monster, Keepy, or whatever. So easy. This is the number 3 guard. Then I have the number 1 and the number 2 guard. So all of these are already modified, so I don't need to buy single magnetic guards. So you know, fits perfect. Okay, and this will not fall actually. This is very stable. So I think it's your choice, you know. Again, if you don't want to buy the Andis single magnetic guards, then use your Gamma or Stylecraft's single magnetic guards. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Some pits. Let's go. Fuck!